Hi ma'am, what is your overall experience here at FitPad and your coach po?
So far, it has exceeded my expectations actually. I used to pass by here every time, every day almost. And syempre, at first glance, medyo suplado yung itsura ng FitPad, di ba? Kasi siya. But when I got inside, everybody was very accommodating and welcoming. So, yun, very welcoming lahat. And lahat ng staff, very helpful. Yeah.
And your coach po?
Si Coach. I'm thankful na yung impromptu lang yung pag-enroll ko ng pagkuha ng personal trainer. And I'm happy that I'm with Coach Jay kasi very informative siya. So, in a way, nare-review ako doon sa mga inaral ko previously and also, yun na nga, you get trained, you get physically fit with somebody who is, alam mong devoted doon sa trabaho niya. Ayun. Yan lang.
Thank you ma'am. And how about you sir?
Okay po. So, my overall experience po when it comes to FitPat Pinas were very amazing po. All of these staffs are accommodating and friendly, and the environment inside the gym po are very comfortable po and very convenient po. And then I'm feeling confident and comfortable for all these staffs po. And then at first po, I'm very nervous because this is my first time enrolling in a gym. So, when I discovered myself as days goes by po, so I'm very comfortable expressing myself, and I get to know each of the coaches here and other clients as my friends po and classmates. And when it comes to Coach Day po, I'm very thankful po to him na he always motivate me to pursue the fitness journey, to pursue everyday po na kahit everyday po tinatamad ako, basta naalala ko yung motivation ni coach, parang yun yung iniisip ko para mag-grow dito sa fitness. Kahit hindi naman po ako naiinip sa nagiging progress ko, pero alam ko may perfect timing si Lord na magbubunga din lahat. Thank you po.